Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and today we're going to talk about wishes or things that we really want. There are two ways to say that you wish something in English. The first way is I wish that plus the past tense. I can also say if only plus the past tense. Let's look at an example. For example, I can say, I wish that I had more time with my friends. I can also say, if only I had more time with my friends. If only, again, has kind of a stronger sense to it. So maybe it's something that I really, really, really want. I can also say, I wish that I had less work. I can also say, if only I had less work. That means it's pretty serious and I really, really, really wish that I had less work. So tell us what your wishes are in the comments below using I wish that and if only. And we'll see you in the next one.